What's good, everybody? It's your boy Aso Swagger here, back at it again, you feel me? And today, I'm a little hungry, right? So I called my boy, Nick Jetson. He's right there. I said, hey man, you trying to make some spicy wings? He's like, yeah man. So I was like, alright, well I'm trying to make it the spiciest, cause spicy is just boring. I'm trying to go over the limit, you feel me? So we about to start getting cooking, know what I'm saying? You ready?
Hell yeah.
Let's do this thing. Okay, so here, right here, is our ingredients. We got sriracha, Asian crushed, what's this called again? Asian fried chili cheese. I almost said fried chili cheese.
Fried chilies.
Fried chilies.
It's not fried, boo.
Yeah, they fry it and then kaboom, it turns to powder. Anyways, got paprika, what's this? Garlic powder, panko crispy breadcrumbs, know what I'm saying? And we got this my people man, this guy, we didn't even cook yet, this guy's cooking. No, alright. My people from the south, they put me on this. Hold on, focus. Creole. Is that how you pronounce it? Creole.
Creole, fool.
Creole.
Creole.
That's Creole. Alright. Got cayenne pepper. Bam. Crushed black pepper. Bam. And pink Himalayan sauce. However you pronounce that too. Then our secret ingredient. Badam. We're gonna use these noodles and we're gonna wrap it around the chicken, which Nick right here is massaging.
I said a bowl.
Oh.
Hey, listen.
What? Okay, bam. There's one.
This is what I do. I always do this when I buy chicken.
What you
I
do?
always watch it every time I take it out the package. They never know what the fuck's on the fucking chicken.
Yeah, could be salmonella. All right, how we're doing this, right? We're gonna fry this right here. You know what I'm saying? Like 350 degrees. Actually, I lied. That's for baking degrees, but yeah, you get the idea. Is it cool for chicken to have red things still?
What do you mean?
Never mind. All right, step one, y'all. Time to get seasoning.
First off, we start with the Himalayan pink salt. The reason why I like this salt makes me feel fancy.
And it's pink. Something I eat a lot.
That salt in there. Next up, always gotta have this stuff.
What's that?
Black pepper cutter.
Ooh. On a dead chicken.
We're not even measuring, we're just guessing because
We eyeball things. Even though we got little ones, they're still good.
I don't even cook like that. Overeats everything.
Girl, but baby.
Nah.
Shout out. Actually, no, don't shout out. You didn't sponsor me yet.
Garlic powder.
Hit
Don't
that.
throw too much in because we already got salt in there.
Yeah, it's too garlicky. Is that a word, garlicky?
You want to put in just enough. Cover the top. Not too much.
What else?
Now. Shit.
Wait, are we supposed to put the breadcrumb?
No, that's after.
Oh. Let me do something.
I think.
Hold on, put the camera. Go ahead, camera.
Do something.
Alright, what do you use? You put cayenne already?
Nah.
Right here? Cayenne, baby.
Go ahead.
Watch this. Creep the drip. See that? Not too much. Just go side to side. Bop, bop. I got to sneeze for it. It's coming.
Sneeze that way, fool. I sneeze on the goddamn tree.
It's paprika.
God damn, my nose getting itchy now.
I told you this is getting spicy out here, dog.
What was that, paprika?
Yeah.
Put some more in that bitch.
Alright.
Yo, my nose.
I told you.
Fucking nose.
Alright. Hold on. This one's spicy coming through.
Now it's time for the Creole.
Yeah, Crayola. Creatine. Hold on. I didn't know how to open this.
2 hours later.
There we go.
Gang shit.
Finger that hole.
What is this stuff anyways?
Don't worry, all my people from the south use it.
How am I supposed to put?
Just put it around. It's good. Damn, look at that.
Yo, this is about to be some like salty ass chicken.
Nah, it's gonna be spicy.
I think we put too much seasoning.
Nah, that's good. It's good. More color, more better. You know what I'm saying? Now, boom, boom, boom. Open that up.
I'm gonna get this shit in my face. Yo,
My nose is already itching already. I'm covering my nose right now. God damn, you sure? Yeah. We don't need a lot of that, cause that's already dangerous.
yo, put that away. Put that away. No.
Alright, what we got?
Famous sriracha.
Sriracha.
Every Asian household got this sauce. If you ain't got it in your house, you ain't Asian, my dude.
Yeah, it's not even spicy. It's just for color, you know what I'm saying? Get that.
You know what I'm saying? Shit smells spicier than a motherfucker.
And of course, it ain't spicy enough yet. We still gotta add the secret ingredient right there. Spicy noodles. Oh, damn, that's stank. Oh, it smells funky. Gotta make what's the thing called? The batter, you feel me? Crack the egg, boop, bop. Oh, damn. Alright, guys, I just put the oil in. Trying to heat this bitch up. Wow. Man, this shit wetter than a bitch. Alright, we're ready to cook this thing up.
Oh no, should we wait till that oil's hot?
Let's do it anyway and just leave it on the side.
Alright, get a different plate. So
Damn, man, this shit's here.
lazy bitch.
Oh, this one kinda dirty.
What the fuck?
That's why you never grab from the top, just grab from the bottom, you feel me?
Hey, check it out.
What? Oh, damn, flavorful gut.
Word. Dip that in there. Look at
That's
that.
it.
All that seasoning still
We're
on
gonna
there.
lose the seasoning if we dip it too much.
Damn, look at that, cuz.
Man, you heard that?
Oh, yeah.
Yo, you put it? I don't put it. I don't know. Well, I'll do that. We're gonna cook the show. That's rude. It's only the first step to what we gotta do. Next step is gonna be crazy. Alright guys, so we just finished seasoning, battering, everything. Feel me? Here's the medium finished product. Ooh. We're about to fry this thing up. Put right over there. And then I'm gonna cook the noodles on the side. And we're gonna put everything together. Feel me?
Alright, so we kind of fucked up the chicken because I guess we weren't supposed to fry the panko. Look what happened to that shit. What were we supposed to do?
Supposed to bake that shit, bro.
So we're supposed to bake the panko. Panko.
Alright, so what we doing? What we doing?
I'm baking
The
chicken
What you use?
because you burnt it.
I didn't burn it, he burnt it.
You the one that got panko.
No. You know what I'm saying? You saw me behind the camera the whole time. I thought that was a dick right there.
Not one of the noodles.
Oh, fuck, this shit
Just
going.
drop it in, fool. Just drop a whole brick.
Nah. I still gotta do another pack. Check me out, though. Check me out.
So, all the fucking bread and panko fell off the chicken. This one stayed, but shit fell off most of it. It's all at the bottom of the fucking pot. Cause it's food's fault.
I didn't do nothing.
You bought the panko.
And you didn't read it.
You didn't read either.
So, it looks like I read. And then we finished making the noodles. Bada boom, bop, bop. We're gonna drop it all over the chicken after it's done frying. We got a couple audience right here. A couple what's it called? Guest judges. Tommy. Got Nathan, got Billy.
It ain't working, cuz.
Yeah, 'cause you cut the noodles in half.
Oh, yeah, just throw it in there.
Yeah, that's what we can do.
And then
We're
just
gonna mix
toss
it.
Hey, kid,
That's
try one.
Bam, finalizing the deal. Ghetto rapping, dog.
I already took a bite. We had to stop it though, but
How that tastes? Is that good?
fire.
Oh, let me try, Wow. Ready? That's good. Not spicy, but good. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for the video. Go try it for yourself. Like and subscribe down below. Always keep it swaggy.
Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down. Pick it up, now break that shit down. Break it down. Speed it up, then slow that shit down on the gas. Slow it down. Bust it.